mash it.
Yeah.
Now see how it has.
Mine says.
I'm gonna wait for 3.
Okay.
We have to keep it for 1 minute 60, like 1 minute 60.
Whoa!
Look at our brownies!
Let me taste it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!